Messy Google Sheets are draining profits. From local bakeries across the USA, I turn that problem into a $4,000 per month income stream. And you can too. Bakery owners rely on Google Sheets for sales, inventory, and staff schedules. But over time, those spreadsheets get cluttered. Broken formulas, duplicate rows, missing data. In the USA, small businesses lose hours every week because of this mess. My service is simple. I clean and organize their Google Sheets. I fix formulas, build dashboards, and automate workflows. Suddenly, bakery owners across the USA can track sales, manage ingredients, and plan staff shifts without stress. They save time, and I earn steady income. This isn't just about bakeries. Any small business in the USA using Google Sheets needs this. If you know spreadsheets, you can turn that skill into a remote side hustle worth thousands per month. Want to turn messy spreadsheets into money? Start offering Google Sheets cleanup today. Subscribe for more USA side hustle strategies, and let's make your skills pay.